Hi, I just want to make a fresh cornbread with fresh corn, and it tastes so good. Yeah, you feel like you're eating fresh corn. So for this recipe, we're going to need the cream of three fresh corns, which I've already done it. You cut them and put them in a mixer. 3 cups of pancake flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 stick of butter, 6 eggs. That's it. So let's start. So I'll start with my eggs first, 6 eggs. And the sugar, 1 cup of sugar. If you like it sweeter, you can add more sugar. And my butter, 1 stick of butter. So I'm going to mix this first. Okay, I'm going to add the cream of 3 corn, fresh corns. Mix this too. And now I'm going to add my dry ingredient, which is 3 cups of pancake flour. I'm going to fold this in. Okay, and we're going to bake this in 350 degrees for exactly 30 minutes. So I have already greased my pan. I'm going to put it in the pan. And bake it for 350 degrees. Hi, voila! See how pretty our cornbread is. By the way, I just want to remind you, if you are going to use different container, or you're going to use bigger container, you have to adjust the cooking time. Like this one, I cooked a little, like 5-10 minutes more than 30 minutes, because my container was smaller and the dough was thicker. So the way you know it's cooked, you just poke a toothpick. If it comes out clean, then that means it's done. So our cornbread is perfectly done. Look how pretty it is. Wow. Let me cut some. Wow, my goodness. Smells so good. Wow, smell of fresh corn. You feel like I feel like we are eating fresh corn. If you bake this, you will never use those cornmeal or those stuff that they're a million years old. Look how beautiful it is. So good. It smells like I said you're eating fresh corn. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for pumpkin pie. Voila! Look how beautiful these pies and cornbreads are. Look, beautiful. And the pumpkin pie, we can add some. Ooh, ooh, some whipping cream on it too. And this is the pumpkin pie. It's so hot already. We have to let it cool down. It smells so good.
That's not pumpkin pie. Blueberry.
Yeah, blueberry pie, pumpkin pie, cornbread, and I think we have our Thanksgiving dinner, complete. Except the flowers, which I'm gonna work on them tomorrow, and I'll show you how to make some flower arrangement and centerpieces for your Thanksgiving dinner table. So I hope you make these pies and enjoy as much as I'm going to enjoy it. And I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.